The water is right there. You special. Maybe you
And the
need a
dead people are
Snickers.
sitting right there in the back.
Echo Tango Con 19.
Flying from Wisconsin home.
Here comes. Here comes. Here comes.
My comms.
Here comes.
My comms.
Confirm your comms.
My comms.
Here comes.
Your comms?
My Snickers.
My Snickers. Thank you. Thank you.
So I was given a Diet Dr. Pepper, and I am going to do the test of a diet drink where it blows up when you're at altitude. I'm actually going to see if
If it doesn't like the Diet Coke, then-
yeah, if it doesn't like Diet Coke does.
Nope.
Nope.
Yep.
I'm easy 27 Pop Mike, contact Jacksonville Center 1.
I'd say that's more.
No, I think it has something to do. It must have something to do with like the saccharin or whatever they use instead of high fructose corn